What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Been gone for a little minute, but I'm back now. Yes, sir. So today, I'm showing you guys my M214 NANO. This is an AK pistol. This is made by a manufacturer called IO or Ordnance. Last I heard, they were manufacturing in Florida, somewhere in Florida. I can't say for sure. They do make full-size AKs and ARs and other firearms as well. I believe this is more on the rare side. I searched on YouTube, looked for any other reviews on this, and found maybe like one or two. So I figured I'd go ahead and review mine. But first, we got the tactical rubber grip. It's got a nice little texture on it. You guys can see that. I ordered this angle foregrip from Amazon, of course. You guys know I get a lot of things from Amazon. Thought that was kind of dope. It also has, you can see, a little storage spot. Probably put an extra couple rounds in there. It is clear. Got that bolt. And safety actually holds it open. Nothing in there, of course. Like I said, that's the safety. Right there, so safety. You got the S and the F. Safety and fire. Got your bolt. I got these rail covers from a company called Ergo Grips. They sell these in they got quite a few different colors. So if you looking for some rail covers, check them out online. You guys probably wondering why I got yellow. I ordered this 30 round mag from, I want to say they're called Holster Co. It's 30 round mag. It was blue at the bottom, but you know me, I ended up painting it black just so it'll coordinate. So show you guys how it looks. There you go. That's the I think they call it waffle style magazine. We got the quad rail. Got top, both sides and bottom. Comes with the compensator. Helps with some of the recoil. Recoil not too bad on here. As you can see from the footage, I love shooting this. Every time I take this to the range, people gotta come see what's all that noise. What are they feeling through the next booth over? I call this the showstopper. Yes, sir. I believe it comes with two 30 round mags. And the price range is somewhere between five something, maybe 7 something. Somewhere around there. Yes, sir. Got a little bit of footage. Put it at the end of this video. you know, that's just the mag release right there. Pull that, the mag comes right out. There we go. It's got a nice trigger on it, pretty decent. Again, guys, it's my M214 NANO 8K pistol. This thing is a little beast. Check them out online. They're pretty inexpensive. Like I said, it is made in the USA. You know, if that's a big deal for you, check them out. And that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Also, I got a little bit of footage at the range with my Takarel TBP, my bullpup. I didn't get much footage. I did have one cycling issue with the first mag, but I plan on going back to the range, getting some more footage, putting some more rounds through it, and then I will be posting footage of that. So you guys stay prepared, be safe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.